If you are a professional writer, if you are a blogger, if you are a content writer, but you are worried about your writing journey because you are listening all these shits at your surroundings that people are saying that chat gpt is there, so your writing journey will vanish. AI is already there, so there will not be any need of a content writer. If you are listening all the shits and you are worried about your writing journey, then you are at very right place. Hi everyone, my name is Bishwajit Sarkar and I'm a very professional content writer. I'm a professional blogger. I run so many websites in WordPress. Also, I'm a very successful writer at Medium. So definitely, if you are worried about your writing journey, then definitely you are thinking that what may be an authentic writing platform for you. So don't worry, because in this video I'm going to share with you a very authentic platform where by writing your stories you can get so many success in this platform. Yes, so the name of this platform is Medium. And guys, since last 2 months I'm just working in this, and I just started writing at Medium by thinking that I'm going to experiment new things. But honestly speaking, that I'm getting good response from this Medium globally. So in this video I'm going to share with you two valid reasons that why you should be a Medium writer. Okay, so the first reason is that this platform is a very authentic platform. Why? Because your each and every story will be rewarded globally. Rewarded how? Because there in this medium you will not get any uses of any AI tools or chat GPTs. If you are using if you are writing by taking help from any AI tools or chat GPTs, then your story will not get any views, any reads, nothing. And then if you are continuously doing the same thing, that at a certain time what will be there, your story or your account will be removed from Medium. So that is the reason I'm saying that this platform is very much authentic. And if you are a genuine writer, then definitely I think that it is a very good news for you. So the next valid reason is that you easily can monetize your each and every story. Okay, so your the monetization actually will be calculated from your views and reads. Okay, and also claps. So to monetize your story, there are two things are there in Medium. That the first thing is that you actually your followers, the number of your followers should be more than 100. And the next thing is that your country where basically you are living, okay, your country must be eligible to monetize your story or profile in Medium. Okay, so actually earlier India was not included. Still India is not included in that list as a eligible country. But recently last month the CEO of Medium has announced or included more than 33 countries in that list. And that CEO also has announced that very soon India is also going to be included in that particular list. So if you are an Indian writer, then definitely it is a very good news for you, even also for me. So these are the two valid reasons I've shared with you that why you should be a Medium writer. I hope you have understood. But still, if you have any query, then please let me know in the comment box. I am here. Bishwajit is here to help you out. Okay. So this is all about this today's video. Bye guys. Thank you.